Hello, and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending June 19th, the major indexes increased even though the Middle East crisis and inflationary fears prevailed. Industrial production in May increased less than expected, but the upward revision in April makes May's number not as weak. Home builders remained downbeat in June as the housing market index was weaker than expected due to a decline in single-family home sales. 35% of builders cut prices in June. Housing starts were much lower than expected in May, down 15.4% due to a large decline in starts of multifamily housing units across all regions, with the Northeast showing the biggest decline. Retail sales were stronger than expected in May, showing strong consumer demand. Pending home sales were stronger than expected in May, with the Northeast showing the largest increase, up 8.7%. The Federal Reserve kept interest rates unchanged at 3.5% to 3.75%, as sustained resilience in consumer spending remains a primary reason for no change. However, 9 of the Fed members now see a rate hike by year-end. And the leading economic index, which is designed to predict future trends in our economy, came in weaker than expected in May. Year-to-date, the Dow is up 7.3%, the S&P is up 9.6%, and the Nasdaq is up 14.1%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.45%. Oil closed down at $75.62 a barrel. Gold closed at $4,217.34 an ounce, with silver closing at $65.84 an ounce. For this week of June 22nd, Tuesday we'll get manufacturing and services data. Wednesday, new home sales will be reported. Thursday, we'll get durable goods orders, personal income and personal spending data, and the PCE price index, which tracks the average change over time in the prices paid by consumers for a broad range of goods and services. It is a key measure of inflation. And on Friday, wholesale and retail inventories will be reported. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video, please give us a call. Also, call us to schedule a Zoom consultation to explore how we may be of benefit to you. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week ahead. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.